In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into a Google Calendar event, brought to you by our comprehensive 2025 full guide. Whether you're scheduling a meeting, a reminder, or a special occasion, adding images can make your calendar events more informative and visually appealing. So, let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this seamlessly. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your preferred search engine and clicking on the link that appears. Once you reach the home page, if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Click on the Sign In button, which you'll find in the top right corner. You'll then need to select your Google account or, if necessary, enter your email address to proceed. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your password, so go ahead and type that in. Once everything is correct, simply click the Next button to access your Google Calendar. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main calendar view with your events laid out across the days and weeks. What you'll need to do now is either create a new event or open an existing one. To start fresh, click the Create button located usually on the left top corner, or if you are modifying an existing event, click on it directly in your calendar view. Once you're within the event details, look for the Edit or pencil icon and click on it. This will ensure you're in editing mode for finer adjustments. Now scroll down to find the description section of your event. This is where we'll be working to add an image. Direct your attention to the row of icons above the description text box. You'll see an icon that looks like a small wheel or triangle. This stands for Google Drive. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a window with your Google Drive files, allowing you convenient access to all your stored content. Now you have two options. You can either select a file from your drive or click on the Upload tab if you want to add a new image from your device. Choose your preferred image, and once selected, it will be inserted into your event description seamlessly. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button. This will ensure all your modifications, including your newly added image, are stored and visible when you or others view the event later. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your Google Calendar event. This can be useful for adding logos, maps, or any visual information that supports your event details. Thanks for following along, and make sure to check out other helpful tips we have on our channel.